In this SAT problem, we want to focus on the value of 3x. That's what we're going to look for. Now look at the diagram given, or the figure given above. You have x, 2x, and 2x also, and this part is 90 degrees. And this part also, if you check from this point to this point, it should be also 90 because they lie on a straight line, which is 180 degrees. So since these angles given are on this part of 90, so we can sum up these angles and equate it to 90 degrees. So here we go. X degrees plus 2x degree plus 2x degrees equal to 90 degrees. And this will be that if you sum up this, we have 5x degrees equal to 90 degrees. So what will become of this? X will be equal to 90 divided by 5, and the result to this is 18. But of course, what we are looking for is 3x, not x alone. So to get 3x now will be equal to 3 multiplied by the value of x, which is 18, and the result to this would be 54. So the option is D. I hope you like this video. Please hit the subscribe button and follow me for more. And if you need a private tutoring, please make sure you contact Instructor Allison Tutorials. Bye bye.